and then gonna wash the outside. So let's see how these pictures come out. Sometimes when it comes to vehicles, you might have to take a couple pictures or redo your ad. It's not a big deal though, you know. If you're not getting enough hits, you're not getting what you expected. Yeah, I completely understand. So this is the first angle that I do right here. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to sell vehicles on Facebook Marketplace with vehicles that you bought from a dealer-only auction. I'm gonna show you exactly the step-by-step process, all the way from cleaning, you know, the R&D, which is basically, you know, making sure the vehicle is ready for sale, and also posting it on Facebook Marketplace, how I optimize my advertising for my vehicles, what kind of pictures I take, and how I do everything. I'm gonna walk you through the exact process. I haven't taken any of the stickers off the vehicles I purchased from the auction, so you'll be able to see that entire process. This is my Urus right here, and I still have my BMW M4 competition. So the vehicle that we are gonna get ready for sale today actually is going to be my 2019 Subaru Impreza, which is super clean. I purchased the vehicle for $6,500. I'm gonna go ahead and post it for like $8,900, and I'll probably take, you know, whoever has cash first. But it's a very clean vehicle. It would be a great starter vehicle for a kid in high school or something like that. So in the area I live in, I'm in a suburb. There's no public transportation other than a metro. So people are looking for vehicles actively. So this would be a great vehicle. I don't think I'll sit on it too long, but I'll go ahead and take you guys to the vehicle right now, take the stickers off it, and get ready for getting that vehicle ready for sale. But before we get started with this video, go ahead and leave a like and also subscribe and turn on bell notifications. I'm going to stay more consistent with posting videos. And if you're interested in getting your dealer license, go ahead and comment the reason why. And if you're ready to go ahead and get started to get your dealer license, go ahead and click the link in my bio. If you have any questions regarding getting your dealer license, don't be afraid to ask. Go ahead and message me here on my Instagram right here. And like I said, you know, I've been doing this for the last almost a full year, getting people into auctions, getting their dealer license, things like that. If you don't believe me, listen to this testimonial right here.
I just want to say thank you for making this transaction so easy for me. I didn't think that having auction access was going to be this amazing. I was able to get this X4 M competition for way less than I was about to go and get it for at the car lot. I was about to get screwed over. It's just been, I'm just so happy, and I can't thank you, Cheese, enough for the amazing opportunity that I have gotten, you know, simply just by saving a lot of money and getting the dream car that I've been wanting.
The one thing that you always got to do is have glue gun and also have a scraper to get the glue off and residue off, because as you can see, when I take this off right here, there usually is glue residue, as you can see from the auction sticker. So I want to get all the stickers off, and then this is before I post it, because I want to make sure the vehicle is ready to go. See, this one, usually I typically get my cars detailed, you know, because a first impression is lasting impression, and that also goes with vehicles as well. But this one right here, I am not going to do it because the interior is super clean. So I most likely will just do an outside wash, get some Armorall on the tires, and then I'll go ahead and post this vehicle. There's not much I need to do to it, like I said. So I'm going to get this glue off and shit, and then I'll be back. So what I'll do is go ahead and spray it. As you see, it's already like basically gone after spraying it. Let it sit for a little bit. Spray right here. You can see the residue. Spray there. And then let's see if there's any other stickers on the other side. No, there's none. So yeah, there's none. So let it sit for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and scrape it off. I'll show you. Take this right here. You just go up and get all that residue off. It's really easy. It's kind of satisfying, to tell you the truth. I bought this Goo Gone 2 years ago, and I still got a lot left. So honestly, it's worth the investment if you're going to continue to flip cars. Get the big bottle. It just gets it off. Easy. Just like that. Boom. One thing that I always make sure that I do have is paper towels on me, and then also glass cleaner. After doing the Goo Gone, the gunk gets built up on it and shit. So, you know, you want to make sure it's all the way off pretty much. So now I'm about to go and get some Armorall on the tires, because this doesn't even need an outside wash, to tell you the truth. So I'm gonna get some Armorall on the tires, and then make sure that the vehicle is good. We'll go into AutoZone, find some Armorall, and then yeah, get the vehicle ready for sale, take some pictures. I'll show you how I take my pictures. I'll show you every single angle that I do, and then I'll go ahead and post my ad. I'll show you how I post my ad, and then we'll go from there. I'll show you the bio, the picture angles that I take, how I put the VIN, the vehicle VIN inside, and things like that. But this is a very clean example. This is a super clean example of a vehicle that you can buy from the auction. No issues, no lights, ready to go. You can buy a bunch of cars like this from the auction, just like this. I bought, like, I would say over 50% of the vehicles I bought were frontline ready, and this is a frontline ready vehicle right here. All right, so now I just left Advanced Auto Parts. I'm about to get some tire shine on the wheels, get it cleaned up. I grabbed a sponge as well. I should have had these already, but I ran out, so I'm gonna just go ahead and spray. This is hard as shit to do with one hand. We'll get it on there. We'll get it on all of them, let it sit for a little bit. Get closer. Damn, look at the fucking bird shit. This shit just happened. Let's get this shit right. I think this is just essential for pictures, you know? Tire shine. Make sure the car just looks good, nice and crispy. Now we're gonna go ahead and go around with the sponge and then make sure the car is good to go. Look at this backdrop though. Insane. That's also very important. Making sure that you have a nice backdrop to go ahead and take the pictures. Let me go ahead and get this right. As you can see. You feel me? It's looking crispy. Looking crispy. Let's see. Like I said, pictures are everything. It's like the first impression. You know, it's like the first impression. First impression is the lasting impression. All right, boom. Now we got it. Now the car is pretty much ready for pictures. What I'm gonna do now is take everything out of it that was inside. So all this stuff, as you can see, these things right here. And then we're gonna take this out, put it in the back seat. So take this out right here. Everything pretty much that's in the car that has nothing to do with the car, we're taking out. Gonna go ahead and move it to the back, and then I'm gonna go ahead, close this down, and then grab my phone and get some pictures. Grab this as well. Got this tire shine. This actually wasn't pretty. It's not bad. It wasn't bad. Let's go ahead and put this in here. Like I said, I didn't even wash the outside of this car. That's the crazy part. So we're gonna go ahead and take pictures of the car. As you can see, this is one of my first angles right here. I already took 2 other photos, but I did the same exact thing I did on this side, on the other side. We're gonna get the whole body around of the vehicle because we wanna make sure that before a person comes, they get to see every single thing that the vehicle has to offer. You wanna really make sure that you get all the details. This vehicle has no accidents, clean title, so I have absolutely nothing to hide. You see what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna be fully transparent with the photos. Take a picture of the roof rack, as you can see right here. Then we're gonna go and start with the interior. The first thing I like to do with the interior is take it from this angle right here. This, I think, is a really clean angle. It just shows that there's no tears in the seats, because a lot of vehicles have tears in the seats. You know, even right here, this is a good angle. It looks like nobody even sat in this back seat. Then we go inside right here, take it at this angle. Boom. Very clean. Then we get a picture of, I guess, this fake woven carbon, but it's all good. It looked good to me. Then we go ahead, get a picture from the side angle. I might not post that one. Then we go ahead and get a picture of the dash. Just make sure that that's really clear. Shows the mileage. Then we're gonna go get a picture of let's go ahead and take this. Is a little dirty right here. I'm gonna wipe this off. So I went ahead and cleaned this up right here. I took a picture of this right here. Got more pictures of the seats as well. And now the vehicle is gonna be ready for being posted on Facebook Marketplace. It's really bright out here, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go finish this video actually at my house so you guys can get a better, like, you know, picture of what it will look like. Okay, now we're back in the crib. So one thing that I always do is I make sure that I don't have the license plate in my video. I want to try and make it look as much of a private sale as possible just to get the people out there. And then I always tell them that I'm a dealer and that they need anything, temp tags or anything like that, I can get it to them. So I block out the license plate with this feature right here on the Apple. And then I'll go do that on my next one. Do that on the same thing right here. We'll go down to right here. Then we'll go to markup, turn off live photos. Then boom, you can go to add shapes at the bottom right here. Add shape. Go ahead and cover that up. And boom, we are all set. So now we're going to go into posting on Facebook. One major tip that I do have is if you have a girl, like a friend or your girlfriend or a family member that's a female, that you could post on their Facebook, that is a crazy advantage because people will always think they are taking advantage of a woman. Whole time they pull up, they come see the car, it's you selling it. And so we'll go ahead and post these right here, all the features, and also put the Carfax report in as well. And then I go here, we'll put 2019, we put Subaru, then we go to Impreza, then we go to, I'm pretty sure this is the 2.0 Sport Wagon. And then this is a hatchback. Color is white. Interior color is tan. Fuel type gasoline. Mileage 160,000. And then money still owed. No. Number of owners 1. Price. See, this is where we're gonna put it. Price it competitively, $8,900. I'll take less than that, but I just want to post it high to see what's the most I could get. As you can see right here, I put this car is a well-maintained, no accidents, clean title, nobody has ever sat in the back seat, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist. I keep it short and concise in all the high ticket items. I try to list it in there, as you can see. Now I'm gonna go ahead and post this. We'll post it on Marketplace. Then I'll show you my ad, how it looks once it's let's see, it's taking a second to publish. It's in review, but let's go ahead and take a look at the ad. As you can see, look at the photos. Let's turn the brightness up. Super clean. Like I said, very clean example of a Subaru Impreza. So now that's that completed. This is the entire video on how I start from A to Z on how to post on Facebook Marketplace with your dealer license and try to make sure that, you know, you can sell your vehicles effectively. And I showed you all the way from me getting the car ready to how it is right now. If you're interested and you are interested in getting your dealer license, go ahead and like this video, comment as well, and we can go ahead and get started with the process. Thank you for watching.